Hello, young artists. Today, we're going to color Lulu from Oddbods. Lulu is so fun and loves to explore, so let's make sure she looks colorful and bright. Let's begin by coloring Lulu's face. We'll use a soft peach color to make her face look friendly and full of life. Carefully fill in her face, avoiding her eyes, mouth, and nose. Lulu's expression always looks happy, so let's give her a warm and inviting look. We'll color Lulu's headband. Next, we'll color Lulu's headband. Let's use a bold red for her headband. Now, let's move on to Lulu's body. We'll use a lovely sky blue for her body, starting from the top and working our way down. Lulu always wears this bright blue outfit, so make sure to color it evenly and neatly. Look at that! Lulu looks amazing with her peach face, sky blue outfit, and bright red headband and armbands. You did a fantastic job making her look colorful and fun. Thanks for coloring with me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun coloring videos with your favorite characters from Oddbods.